Flavor Station. Flavor Station.
Welcome back, Flavor Chase. Let's talk spices. We're gonna need cardamom, cloves, keep up, turmeric. There's a lot. There's a hell of a lot. We're gonna need cumin, saffron if you've got it, star anise, fennel seeds, ground cinnamon, cayenne pepper, and a few other bits we're gonna add along the way. There's your fennel seeds, cayenne pepper. This is like a teaspoon of each at this point. Star anise, we'll put 4 in. Turmeric, lovely stuff, good for ya. Cloves. Now you can mash this up and blend it up into a powder for Ras El Hanout, but you don't have to do that. So there's your cardamom, about 10 of them. Yeah boy, coriander, cinnamon. Now, the most expensive food ingredient gram for gram on the planet, saffron. Boom, old type Nathan D. Paprika. Normal, not smoked. Then you got your coriander seeds, white pepper. Look at that bad boy. There's your spices and your herbs. Yeah, man, we're going to make a casserole. Now, chicken stock. If you don't know how to make chicken stock, there is a video on the channel of how to make the perfect one. Give that a mix up. Yeah, boy, the smell is incredible. I'm telling ya. Now, apricots, 4 of them, chopped just in half. Ginger, garlic, white spuds, red tomato. You don't know the thing. 3, 2, chop that onion, bang that in there. You can see how this is gonna go. Chop them 3 spuds, bang them in there. It's a 1-pot dish. Follow on Instagram, flavor_station. 5 cloves of garlic, ginger, enough of that, there's something. It's everything. It's all the good stuff, man. I'm telling ya. Mad things. Morocco. Now, come for your chicken, washed and ting, of course. Just gonna brown it off, seal it off. We're gonna get it nice and brown. Bit of colour on there, bit of flavour. Yeah, nice hot pan, skin side down. Boom. Bang that in there. Splash garg. You don't know I hate mess, innit, blood? I hate the mess, blood. Yeah, boy. Now we're talking. Bit of salt. You ain't got to season this too tough, because look what we put in the casserole mix, man. It's mad. Just every few minutes, look, just check it. Flip that. That's a nice little bit of colour on there. Lovely jubbly. It's going straight into liquid anyway. It's going to give it that chickeny flavour. You got chicken stock, you got chicken, you got your spices, potato. Going to thicken up that sauce. And just bang that on top of there. It doesn't have to be submerged. Comment below what you want me to do next time. I'll do it, baby. Put a lid on there. Couldn't find the lid. I used a plate. Boom, bam. Into the oven. 200, 180 if you're scared. For about 2.5 hours. Bang. Now she's out. Take off the lid. Oh my gosh. Look at her. I'm telling ya, the smell, look, tender as you like. Coming off the bone now. Ainsley. I'm not making my own couscous because Ainsley's the man, blood. Ainsley's got that good. Just a bit of boiling water in there. Show you how it's done. Yeah, boy. Now look at that bad boy. Cover that 5 minutes or so. It should be fluffy and beautiful. Where's the fork? Look at that. Oh, 2-minute ting. Lovely midweek meal, this. Moroccan chicken, Ras El Hanout with lemon, parsley, and yes, couscous. Now we're going to plate up. But first we're going to do is drain these onto a plate. Just so they're not dripping all over your plate. You want it to look nice for the fam, innit? Make it look nice. Make your girl want to kiss ya. You know, like that. Look at all that. Cooked veg. Now, you got your couscous there, moulded in. There's your veg, there's your chicken. Come with the sauce behind that. Oh my days. Tell me that don't look good. Fresh coriander, of course. Lots of that. We don't mess about. Now look. Beautiful dish. Thanks for watching, people. Flavor Station, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment. I'd like to talk to you lot, man. This is how you cook Moroccan chicken in a casserole. No long ting. Love you. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget, watch a thing, subscribe, follow the socials, watch a playlist, baby. Ha!